Hello, today we will be making a cake Superman, which is we're using one silicone shape for that. It's a Lego mini figure shape, and if you're interested to have a look how to bake with this kind of silicone minifig shape, I have a video which is called how to make silicone mini figure shape. So, and we're using a moist chocolate cake, just one box. And once it's all baked and cooled, we level our cake, and now it's on. We place it on a cake board. And so what we done is we trim it all everywhere around to make it shape of Lego minifig. So what we do is next we're using chocolate, classic chocolate frosting, and we start frost all over. Now with this one, yeah, we frosted. Do not get worried anything up here. We just frost all over because we will be make some extra here. So let's apply our frosting first. Once you finish applying your frosting, what we do is next we're using ready to roll icing, and I will take from foil. I start kneading on the working surface, which is sprinkled with powdered icing sugar, and once it's nice and soft, what we do is we start roll, and once it's bigger size that your cake transfer on top of it, and we will leave some ready to roll icing for cake as well. Once we transfer our ready to roll icing, what we do is powder your hands with powdered icing sugar, and carefully do all the patterns on your cake, and shape it as much as you can closer to your cake, closer to your minifig. And once you're happy with everything what you've done, what we do is make sure we have some neck. What we do, take a toothpick and we draw a cape, because we cannot imagine Superman being without cape. We do need cape. So what we do, we outline this about halfway roughly. So what we do, we trim away all extras, but do not throw all that. We roll, and we will use for hair of a Superman. So leave it this one on the side for now. So what we do here, we just simply will cut it right where is our cape, and rest it's easy. Here we go. Let's finish. After 3 minutes, that's how our cake look like. Now we have cape and header all shaped in. So what we have now, I just roll it a small piece. As you can see, this is for our hair from leftover ready to roll icing. So what we do, we're using sugar syrup. I just tiny bit apply on head to foot stick. It's probably enough. And what we do is we place this piece on top of our head to form a hair of Superman. So what we do, you just basically fiddle around until you get it right, and because we want it look is more realistic, use the kitchen scissors to trim it some sides off, and we need to make it here flip for our Superman. Let's finish up with hair now. Once we finished trimming our hair, this is how it's look like now. So what we do, maybe here you can see better. So what we do is next, we use, as always, ivory gel food coloring and white gel food coloring to create, mix together to create actual skin color. But before we do that, what we do, we take our toothpick and we outline all the symbol of Superman. Its hair will be little round yellow kind of for the belt, and some buttons, pants, which is we don't want a color. Today we will be use blue, red and black liquid food coloring for hair, cape and a body suit, and rest of we will use a different color of gel food coloring because we need to only edit small bits. Also you can use the food decorating edible pens. We can eat them as well, they're not markers, and for small jobs. So we start from face by coloring basically face, neck, and these parts which is will be represent our hands. Once we finish our face, that's how it's look like. We also pointed hands as well. Now we use blue liquid food coloring, and we will color all costume except our patterns for the Superman, basically logo and the cape part. And let's start coloring. Do not use too much paint because we have a little bit of colors to create. This is we leave for cape, and we don't want too many smudges, so we will not use much of a color. Just make sure you do not let it actually run. Once we finish with our blue liquid food coloring, that's how our minifigures look like. We only get to the sleeves because everything else will be red. Now we're going to color actual middle, so we need for that yellow and red. Choices are, we can use our food decorating pen, we can use our gels as well, it's up to you. We can use also red and yellow liquid food coloring. I will go start from a pen because see what's actual easier as well, and see how we're going from it. Pen seems going very well. I would say that pen will be easiest because it's just so easy to draw. Let's color this. We finish with our basically logo of a Superman. I use edible food pen, which was very easy. If you cannot find those, I suggest we should use gel food colors because it's much thicker and stronger and does not really kind of spread everywhere. Now next is we're using red liquid food coloring for the cape and a black liquid food coloring for the hair. Let's start it applying. Now we finish our Superman cake. I hope you do really like it. I just added some patterns with black food decorating pen, and I saw ice. You can use edible food decorating pen, or you can use black gel food coloring. Everything will be written in description box. If you're interested, you can have a look which colors we use, and the rest of it just we added a little bit of white here. It's just blend in, that's why it looks like a little bit bluish, and I hope you really do like our Superman cake. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Please do write your ideas, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.